89 GTI. Anyone has any questions? These tires are these good tires. No, I'm sorry, the rear are good tires. These tires are getting a little shitty, just to be honest with you. Body's beautiful on this car. Only thing is, this rear quarter looks like it's been resprayed. It's got some cracking. I don't know. I'll check it with a magnet, but I don't know. I don't think it's any. It was done just a shitty paint, maybe. Wait for the truck. These tires are like new. These are good tires. Actually, I'm looking at that. That might be some evidence of. Yeah, that was. I wondered how bad this was. Maybe this was hit in the rear corner. I don't know. Either way, it's straight now. This side's beautiful. Just some door dings, but not dented. Somebody's asking me about the engine. It is dry. It's not a leaking engine. I'm going to do a compression test here in a second, but I'm sure it is fine. This looks like the original timing belt sticker. I'm looking for any evidence of. This thing's so original to me. I don't see anything mean. It looks like it was tampered, done wrong, or anything. Just a little moisture around the shifter. If anything, I would do this hose. This hose looks a little fat. It might be just the way it is. That's a metal there. Yeah, engine's dry. I'll look underneath here. See if you can see that. Yeah, right. I don't see any. Yeah, oil pan's dry. It's a good car. I mean, look at this. It's not even banged up. Not even banged up there. I already started a compression test, but let's go with this one. All right. Good. And yeah, right at 175. They've all been 175 so far. Good. We'll set up the other one. All right, let's go ahead. Go ahead. Good. Again, 175. That focus? Yeah, there you go. All right, 175. That was 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like I said, plugs are new, tuned it up. This engine does not look molested at all. I'm going to take that cover off, timing cover, and get a peek, see how the belt is. All right, pop the timing cover off for you. Belt does look in good shape. It does have this line. It's not a indentation. The belt is in good shape. It's not old or dry, I can tell. My guess would be that would be from the pulley for the tensioner. Maybe leaving a little mark in it. But the belt itself's in good shape from this horrible video.